Hey guys, Maria and I are about to walk into a class, a state of the market update, put on by our brokerage, Coldwell Banker Danforth and Denise Lones. So it should be a really good class. We're excited and see if what she has to say coincides with some of our predictions that we've had on the market.
So stay tuned for an update. It's going to be good.
It's going to be a great one. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, we are back from the class. We're back at home, and we're going to share with you a lot of the information that we got today at the class. So as I've said before, I'm Eric Kuehlthau with Coldwell Banker Danforth, Mountain Sound Real Estate Group. My wife Maria and I are a team here in the Tacoma area. And before we get started, if you have any questions about these topics or anything else real estate related, make sure and reach out. We're happy to help. Let's start off with inventory. Inventory, there is still a incredibly low inventory of homes for sale. Seattle, Washington area is actually one of the hottest, projected to still be the #1 market in the country. We were in a steroid market, is what she called it, back in 2021, where the amount of pending sales was higher than active listings on the market. So what that did was had those led to those crazy price increases that we saw, like 30%, 40% in a year sometimes. And now we're into what she called like a faux market, where the amount of pending sales is lower than the active listings. However, those two numbers are on a vergence to collide, and the pending sales possibly go past the active ones again, which leads to the hot market. She was saying in the next 60 days or so, kind of buckle up, there could be another wave and the market could get crazy again in the Puget Sound area. So another thing we touched on was this is not 2008. 2008 was due a lot to those subprime home loans, which I've talked about in a couple of videos. And the lending criteria to get a loan nowadays is just much more stringent. So you're not seeing the people getting 2, 3, 4 homes and they have like no credit. I mean, you could get your dog a house back in 2008. That's not the case right now. She made a point that, hyper locally, we could see in some small pockets of areas that there could be a 1 to 4% drop this year in some home values. But this isn't like 2008 when there was those 30% drop in home values. This is going to be much different. And I have some stats coming up here as far as what we could possibly expect in the Puget Sound area or Washington State as a whole as far as price increases. So again, going back to 2008, this just isn't it. We have such a low inventory. There's low foreclosures and millennials flooding the market. Have I said it enough yet? Supply and demand. And we do have a strong jobs market up here. So all those things together, we're just not going to see, if you're sitting on the sidelines saying, well, I'm just going to wait for these home prices to go down, you may miss the boat. 2023 price predictions nationally at a 1.2 to 2.8 increase. So your home value's still increasing. It's not going to be that big drop that the doom and gloom, what mainstream media and everybody's been telling you. We're just not seeing that in the numbers. And I can tell you specifically in the Northwest MLS area, everything that I'm covering right now and watching a week out, days out, whatever, pending sales are doubling the new listings. So it's going to alluding to what she had mentioned, where the pending sales are those lines are gonna cross again. And if that continues to increase with the pending sales doubling the new active listings, you're gonna see a lot of price increases again. So back to the price predictions, nationally I said the 1.2 to 2.8. Regionally in the Pacific Northwest, we could see price increases of 4 to 6%. Seattle, Tacoma, Bellevue area, looking at increases of 6 to 7%. And the big winner that she had this year was Spokane and the Spokane Valley area at a 9 to 9.5 price increase on home values. The other thing we touched on was first-time home buyers in luxury markets. First-time home buyers are getting priced out of the market because of the rate of increase in home values here in the Pacific Northwest. There's talk of potentially this year, just to help home buyers out a little bit, for a first-time home buyer possibly bringing in 40-year mortgages, and that would help lower that lower payment, give them a little more buying power, and able to get them into some homes. With that, the luxury market is projected to be going strong, and I can tell you just locally in the Seattle, Tacoma area, homes that we've been going through, previewing some videos that are going to be coming out that I'm going to be showing you guys in the luxury market. We're talking $2 million homes. Those homes have been going, some of them, in a week or even less. Absolutely amazing. So what she's saying is true. So what does all this mean? It means if you're looking to sell your home right now, this could be the perfect time. Low inventory, make your home look great, marketing strategies by Mountain Sound Real Estate Group, and you could get your home sold fast. Yes, days on market have increased, but we are seeing homes starting to move again, and home prices continue to rise, so this could be the perfect time. Again, buyers have also been sitting on the sideline, like I've mentioned in previous videos. They've been waiting, they're hungry. Mortgage rates have, it seems like, kind of normaled out for right now at around that 6.25, and they're hungry and they're ready to go. So we're seeing the market starting to heat up again. Absolutely. So there's a lot more that she touched on. And one thing I will say at the beginning of this video, while Maria and I were in the car, I said, were we right on our predictions along with what Denise said? And I can say, yes, we are 100% right in almost every prediction that we've been making, telling you guys in these videos, along with what Denise said today. And Denise spends hours and hours and days and months researching everything and all the data and charts. So we felt pretty good about that. If you guys have any questions about anything I covered today, would like more info on what we covered in class today, we'd be happy to share it with you. Remember to like these videos on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube. Subscribe on YouTube so that you get notified every time we put out a new video. So we have a ton more videos coming out. We're building a lot of content for you guys, and we're happy to share it, and we're really excited. So thanks again, you guys, for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.